So now let's see how we can work with photo grid inside of Pixlr Designer. So over here, I am in the home page of Pixlr Designer, as you can see, and you can see that photo grid is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then I get an option to choose photos right here. So I'm just going to go around and select out photos, and under images, I got a bunch of photos, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to select out a few, and then let me just select 5 right here and click on open. Once you do that, you can see that the photos opened up right here. So you can go around and choose the aspect ratio as you want right here. Like you can select wide and story and so forth, as you can see. And you can choose around the color over here, as you can see as well. So let me just go around over here, and the background color changes up. This is the space right here. So you can select medium space or large space right here, or none space, as you can see. And change around the in-between space over here, and change around the outer border space just like this as well by using out the slider. So you can see that this is what you have right here. If you want to remove out a particular photo, let's say I want to remove out this group photo right here, simply click on cross, and then the photo gets rearranged, as you can see right here. Over here on the bottom, you see the different layouts for the photos as well. So you can go around and click on this or this or this or this. And there you go. There's the grid, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. You can either save this, or you can click on edit to further go around onto edit right here. And you can further position out the image by using the editor right here before saving it out as a final image. And that is how you can work around with photo grid option inside of Pixlr Designer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.